Today, I'll show you how to check your Agoda Rewards balance quickly and easily using the Agoda Home dashboard. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can keep track of your Points Max rewards anytime you're planning a trip. First, make sure you're logged into your Agoda account. This is important because your rewards balance is tied to your personal profile and it won't show up if you're browsing as a guest. If you're not already logged in, look for the login option at the top of the Agoda homepage, sign in with your usual details, and wait for the page to refresh. Once you're logged in, you'll be on, or you can navigate to the Agoda Home dashboard. This is the main screen where you usually search for hotels, flights, or other travel options. From here, look towards the top corner of the page for your profile picture or profile icon. It might be a small image, your initials, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on your profile picture. When you do, a small menu will appear showing different options related to your account. This is where you can access things like your bookings, settings, and of course, your rewards. Now, you have two simple ways to get to your Agoda Rewards balance, both starting from this profile menu. The first way is the most direct. In the drop-down menu that appears after you click your profile picture, look for the option labeled Points Max. Go ahead and select that. This will take you straight to the Points Max section, where you can see details about your rewards, including your current balance. In this Points Max area, you should see how many points you've collected, as well as any information Agoda provides about how those points can be used, such as discounts on bookings or other benefits. This is a good place to quickly check how close you are to your next reward, especially before confirming a new reservation. If you don't see Points Max right away in the first drop-down menu, or if you prefer using your main profile page, there's an alternative route. From the same menu that appears when you click your profile picture, choose the profile option instead. This opens your full account profile page where your personal information and account settings are organized. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Points Max option there. It's usually listed along with other account-related sections. Click on Points Max, and just like before, you'll be taken to the screen that shows your Agoda Rewards balance and related points information. Both paths lead you to the same place, so feel free to use whichever feels more natural to you, going straight to Points Max from the profile picture drop-down, or going through your profile page first and then selecting Points Max from there. That's all you need to do. As long as you're logged in, clicking your profile picture and then choosing Points Max, either directly or through your profile, will let you quickly check your Agoda Rewards balance whenever you need it.